Ultimate Vodka presents Midwest League Ultimate Anniversary Weekend, brought to you by Invincible Entertainment, with the kickoff Friday night at Cloud9. It's Trina performing live. Saturday night, it's the Midwest League Ultimate Anniversary Party at Pulse Nightclub, 605 East Market Street, starring Murphy Lee.
Yo, what it is, Napa Town, what it is, it's the one and only Mr. Wintertime himself, because I'm cold. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be in your city on the 23rd. We're going to be at Club Pulse. The first 100 people get my DVD free. We're going to be drinking all night, kicking it all night. You know what I'm saying? Tony Neal going to be in the place to be. You know what I mean? All my ladies, we're going to be shooting a video. I don't even know what song yet. We just going to pick one. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all be dressed to impress. And don't be scared to hug me. You know what I'm saying? Because I love you. That's what it is, baby.
Lil Fat, Travis Porter, and Just Right from The Love of Rage. And rocking the party is Tony Neal of The Core DJ. And Sunday, it's Ladina's Aquarius Celebrity Birthday Bash, hosted by Monkey Boy ENT at 300 East, where Ladina's buying the bar every hour and Aquarius birthdays get in free. So go get your VIP weekend pass from all RNS Men's locations or Neal's Barbershop on Keystone. And tickets for Trina are available at Cloud9 all weekend long. For more information, call 454-2656.